The AI revolution was meant to have started a few years back, but actually, it's not delivering up to the hype yet. Recently, IBM published some data that said that only 25% of AI deployments are delivering the ROI that was set out in the business case. And that's just not good enough. It's setting out on the journey of IT failure, just like ERP very often failed to deliver the ROI that was expected. RPA failed to deliver the ROI. And we need to make sure that doesn't happen with AI as well. Many AI strategies are falling flat because businesses haven't got their house in order before they start trying to deploy AI. Many businesses are still trying to deliver complex services with a mixture of emails and spreadsheets and manual workarounds. Lots of service providers haven't got a clue how many staff they have delivering service to which customers, how long it takes, and how efficient they are. And trying to deliver automation into an environment like that is really difficult. If you want to make AI work in complex service delivery organizations, you need to get visibility and control of the service before you start to automate. And the data that you get through that control gives you a benchmark against which you can measure ROI and drive success. And if you want to know how to achieve that, then you probably need Enate.